Hi beautiful people, my name is Sophia and I'm here to create a new world with you. I hope guys that you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Just ended 2 sessions of pure love. So today I have a message. This is for a chosen one, a generational curse breaker. Your protection comes with your rank. If this message resonates, you're welcome. My name is Sophia and I'm here to guide you towards your desired reality. So basically you are highly protected, and if you don't feel protected, it's because you're not aligned. This is code to help you align, because when you're aligned, it's also mean that you have activated your dragon. Your dragon is your full protection. This is also where you activate your light language. Your dragon is here to help you with your self-worth, self-love, your confidence. He is or her, she is here to help you being proud of yourself, speak your truth, manifest your truth, express your self, your charisma, your aura, your extremely linked to your throat chakra. This will help your throat. I am a starseed, a multidimensional starseed hybrid. It means that my DNA is activated with a lot of different stellar races. I'm here to help you and help Mother Gaia to raise your and her frequency for your highest and best good and the highest and best good of the universe. So if you meet some difficulties to raise your frequency, to erase trauma, remove any blocks in your past, for you to achieve your highest desired reality, your highest timeline, you can feel free to contact me through my website. I am offering one-on-one session. Abundance, I'm hearing, is just your birthright. Someone knows that but not acting. It's your birthright to be happy, free, aligned, balanced, tranquil, peace, serenity, and this will always only come when you are acting from a place of truth, authentic truth within yourself. Means that you are fully accepting who you are, falling in love with yourself, expressing your divine truth. Activation, galactic activation wanted to come today. I'm also offering healing and reading like I'm doing today. I would like to have a message for a collective now. Thank you. Passer à l'action. Passer à l'action, which is you have to act. Passer à l'action. You can also benefit the sacred geometry. There is an emphasis on the orange, okay? Orange, sacral energy. Someone might have a sacral chakra blocked. So it's basically the sacral is your creativity and sexual energy. Both are combined, both are working together. Basically, if you have some trauma, it stores within your sacral, which is blocking your creativity, blocking your sexual energy, okay, to rise, for you to know who you truly are, basically. So you need to act, whether it's contacting me, whether it's meditating, whether it's doing some yeah, I'm really hearing also doing some meditation to that will help your sacral chakra. I have the power to transmute. Basically, recently I have been asked why, what is my session. So basically there is 3 parts. The first part is clearing and cleansing your whole system from any low vibrational toxic energy that might be implanted in you, surrounding you. And then the second part is calling your power back, you know, because we're also doing some cord cutting when it needs to be. I have one here. Langage galactic. Yeah. I have galactic language, so someone needs to activate, and this is also something that I'm doing, activate your light language. This is your ultimate protection. This here is your ultimate protection. This holds codes from soul to soul. You do not need to understand. This speaks directly to your soul. And really protecting you. There is the sun coming as I say that. Thank you. Yeah, you have to let it go. Someone has to let it go. Maybe someone is very curious but have some something you know, attached to them. They don't know where this come from. This is new. They just found out that they're like attracted by spirituality. I'm here to activate. I'm here to help you remember where you're from. And so the last part of the session is the golden cellular treatment. This is where I activate your body to remember. This is where I lead a massive column of golden liquid light from the 5th dimension. This is a highly miracle frequency that will boost your vitality, your life force energy. But this can happen only at the end of the session, because your body needs to be extremely cleared, cleansed, and washed from any toxicity. Thank you. Oh yeah, happiness. Someone here is destined to reach happiness, but first you have to let it go. You have to remember that you are not just human, that your DNA, what they are used to call garbage DNA, is actually your dormant stellar race's DNA. We are all composed the same. You know, it's just opening your consciousness to remember what they try you not to remember. Yeah, I have balance. This will balance your life. This is the piece that is missing, okay? There is a missing piece within yourself. Maybe sometimes you don't understand why you just are happy and for no reason you just switch your behavior. You might have some implants inside your heart chakra. This is what happened, for example, for my clients today. And this is like slowing you down into your process, you know, because they can control you at distance. Yeah, you need to act. You need to act. Action mode. Anything else, please? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, healing. Healing, guérison, healing. You need to heal. You need to transmute. You need to book this session. This is the only way. If you want to manifest your desired, yeah, something is hurting on my heart. Someone is not happy. I'm sorry. One last card, please. My God, isn't it crazy beautiful? Écoute ton cœur, listen to your heart. We just talk about hurt. Someone out there has a dysfunctionment about their heart chakra. So something happened, maybe something breaks your heart. I can feel your pain. Trust your heart. You're home now. Yeah. Oh my God. 12 when I open my eyes. Such a beautiful confirmation. 33 also. 33. Take your power back. Reprends ton pouvoir divin. Take your divine power back. It's time for someone to act and take their power back from this breakthrough. Interesting. From this heart breaking. I think this heartbreak was your breakthrough. This helped you open your eyes, and you are just remembering like now that you're not the person you used to think you are, and you're ready to act from this place. I would love to see you. I would love to hear from you. I'm here for you. With all my love, namaste, until next time. Mwah.